Hello, my dear friends, Anna Hanas with you, and today let's talk about how to start learning Russian. Get used to the sound of the Russian language. Listening is a fundamental skill that all learners of Russian language need to improve. How to do it? You can, for example, listen to songs, podcasts, watch cartoons and movies. At this stage, it's not yet necessary to understand the meaning of what has been said. The main thing is to get used to the sound of the Russian language. Try to repeat individual words after the characters. I offer you one of the most effective ways to memorize new words. With each new word, try to make one or two phrases and explain this word with other words. Today I propose to remember the most important words in any language: I and you, я и ты. In Russian, we don't use the verb to be when talking about ourselves. It's enough just to say я. If you want to say your name, you can just say я Anna without the verb to be. It's already clear to everyone that я есть, that I am. Next phrase, я надеюсь, I hope.
Ну, я надеюсь, вам все понравилось.
Or, for example, you can say you did something too. For example, я тоже отменила такси. I also cancelled the taxi.
Я тоже отменила.
If you don't know something, you just can say it. Я не знаю. I don't know.
Я не знаю.
If someone forgot about you, directly ask. А как же я? What about me?
А как же я?
Say ты if you're talking to someone. Ты, you.
Ты...
When you want to ask a friend what he's doing, ask him this question. Ты что делаешь? What are you doing?
Ты что делаешь?
If someone pretends to be someone else, say it. Ты не доктор. You are not a doctor.
Ты не доктор.
That's all for today. And you subscribe to the channel, repeat the alphabet in my previous video, and see you later. Пока-пока, my dears.